let's make this beautiful holiday lantern swag. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take my gold Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a length long enough so that I can fold it in half, and then also tie it onto my lantern. So this is just a traditional lantern swag. I'm just going to tuck my Bowdabra bow wire underneath, and let's go to the overhead camera so you can see what I'm doing. So now I have this Christmas pick, and we just bent it here so that it will shape better. Then I have my tails. I'm just going to lay my tails down in here, and we're just going to make a traditional fold and twist bow. So we're just going to twist, fold it back over, and twist, and fold and twist, and just check that my loops are the same, and they are. So we're just folding and twisting. And the reason that we twist is so that way the wrong side of the ribbon is on the inside of the loop, and the pretty side or the right side of the ribbon is on the outside of the loop. So, whoops, let me get my bow wire out of here. And all I'm doing is twisting, folding, folding and twisting, and let's twist that, and just put this last piece in here. And then I have my little pine cone pick, and we're just going to lay that down in there. And I'm going to take my wand to give everything a good scrunch. That pick on the pine cone is really small, so I might have to resort to a glue gun, possibly. I'm not sure, so we'll see how well this holds. And pull it out. Oh, it looks like it's holding. Okay, so we'll separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and we'll tie a knot. And now we'll take this and just shape out our bow by pulling the loops in opposite directions. And I put my fingers in the loops in order to make them round, so they're really pretty and puffy. And then I'll take my lantern, and I'm just going to tie this. Grab my wire and my other piece of wire, and just tie this around my lantern swag. So all I'm doing here is just tying it, and we're going to twist it so it'll hold better. Let's see if I can move that more into the camera so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And we're just going to tie that on, and we'll go back to the front camera, and you can see we have this beautiful lantern swag that was super simple to make. So everyone, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.